Okay. We can match some stuff up. So 8 and 16 is what? 16 over 8 is what? 2. Okay, and on these ones you got to check some other stuff. So then we could say 6 over 4 is what? What is 6 over 4? 3 over 2. Okay, so are those similar? No, they don't match up. Okay. Okay, look at 5. We got 3, sorry. We got 15 over 5 is what? 3. Okay, so that 12 over 4. It's 12 over 4. 3. Okay, and then you got a 15 over 5, 15 over 5. So are those similar? Yeah.
So you just picked any 5, right?
You have to check all the size, but like as you can see here, well, all until they either all match or they're not. But this is 12 over 4 and this is 12 over 4. This is 15 over 5 and this is 15 over 5. So as long as the two ratios are the same, then you should be good. Okay, the next section, and we did this yesterday, and some of you guys got it mixed up. So they're telling you that they are similar for sure. All they want you to do is find the ratio. Okay, so pick pieces that match up. So what's something that can match?
17.6 and
17.6 over 8.8. What is that? 2. So our scale factor is what? 1 to 2. Okay, there's really a 1 under here. So it's a 1 to 2 scale factor. They're telling you they're similar. Some of you guys wrote yes and no on your paper. They're similar. There's no, okay, we already know that it's a yes. We need to find the scale factor. Okay, look at 7. What could we match up? What's a big number? 15 to 12? Okay. 5 over 4. So our scale factor, 4 to 5. Okay, before we start on the next section, let's talk about what that means. Okay, and I'm going to use the two boys for an example. Okay, so we have a 4 to 5 ratio. So if Christian has $4, how many does he have? $5. If Christian has $8, because 4 times 2 is 8, how much does he have? $10. Okay, if he's got $15, how much does he have? That's 4 times 3. 12. Okay, if he's got $25, how many 5s is that? 5. So then his is going to be 4 times 5. 20. Okay, that's how you figure out the scale factor. Because these ones on the bottom, it's going to start asking you about the missing length. Okay, so right here we got 30 to 25. So what's the scale factor?
6.5.
Okay, so 6, 5. So our scale factor is going to be 5 to 6. Okay. Which one is the 5? Which one is the 6?
The 6 is the 30.
The 6 is the big one. Okay, so this is 5 and 6. So if this is 15, how could I get a 15 with a 5? 3. So times it by 3. So, and you could do the same thing. So 6 times 3 is going to be what? 18. Okay, you kind of got to do a little bit of backwards thinking in order to get them to match up. Okay, look at 11. We need to find the scale factor. So we're going to say 35 over 28. 5 over 4. So our scale factor is 4 to 5. What is this one? The 4 or the 5? That's the 5, and this is the 4. Okay, so 40 divided by 5. What was our thing?
8.
8. So you're going to say 4 times 8,
32.
32. So this one's going to be 32. Okay, so solve for x. The polygons in each pair are similar. So we know that they're similar. Okay, so we got, what can you match up?
12 and 6.
12 and 6. What's that going to give you?
2.
2. Okay, or 2 over 1. So our scale factor is 1 to 2. Okay, which one's the 1? Which one's the 2?
The ones on the right side is 2.
This one's the 2?
No, the one.
Oh, right side, my bad. Okay, so if this is 1 and it's 5, so how do we figure out?
So you put 2x times 2 when it's 4?
Okay, so what is 6 times 2?
12.
12, so that's how we got here. So 5 times 2,
10.
10. So you know that this should equal 10. So, how do I solve for x?
Oh,
Okay. What needs moved? Yeah. So we got 2x equals 14.
equals 7.
Yeah, and then divide by 2. We got x equals 7. Okay, so if we put 7 here, does that make sense? Okay, well, it's smaller than 12. It looks about right, okay? If it was like 100, would that make sense? No, definitely not. Okay, so make sure that your number at least makes some sense. Okay? Okay, so we got 15 over 10. What is that? 3 over 2. Which one's the 3? Which one's the 2? The big one's the 3, and this one's a 2. Okay, so if we're looking at these sides, 2 times what gave me 6? 3. So 3 times 3, 9. So we know that it equals 9. So 2x minus 3 is going to equal 9. Okay, so we get 2x equals 12. Yep, and it's going to be 6. Why did I put so many problems on it?
That's all me and crazy.
Dude, we're not doing all that. I'll figure that right now. I don't know what I was doing. Okay, 17. We got 40 over 24. Huh? 5 over 3. Okay, so we know that this one's 5 and this one's 3. 3 times what gave me 9? 3. Okay, so 5 times 3, 15. So we got 2x minus 9 equals 15. $24?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is x going to equal?
12.
12. Okay, we got 10 over 5. What's your scale factor?
2 or 1 to 2.
Yeah, so this is going to be a 1 and this is going to be a 2. Okay? 1 times what gave me 5? 5. So 2 times 5,
10.
10. Okay, so we're gonna get 10x minus 4 equals 10. So we say plus 4. So we got x equals 14. Okay, last one.
1 and 3.
It's got a 1 to 3. So this is 1 and 3. 1 times what gave me 5? No, 8.
8.
8. So 8 times 3,
24.
24. So we get 3x minus 12 equals 24.
Yeah.
Should this number be bigger or smaller than 8?
Smaller.
It should definitely be bigger.
Mm.
Yeah. Good, and that kind of makes sense. We got 5 and 8, and this is 12 and 15. Okay? Okay, you guys are going to do 1 through 22. Okay, so essentially you can rip off this back page.
Yeah, you gotta say bye.
Okay? So you got 11 of them to do. Get them done, and then put it in the box back there.